Moving forward towards the second method, that is by using a join, sorted, and to the set functions. So first we are going to initialize our string, that is string 1 and to the string 2. After that, while using combinedly over here, so what we are doing is first we are going to set the string 1 and to the string 2 together. That is, we are making all of the elements of the string 1 and to the string 2 into the distinct elements. And after that, we are sorting it out by using the key function to be the set to the string 1 of the indexes. So what it's going to do is we are first setting those distinct elements of the string 1 and to the string 2, and after that we are sorting it out according to the string 1 of our indexes. So that's how we are going to get the common elements or the letters in both of the our strings. And after that, we are joining it out by using a join function, and we are storing it into the string number 3 variable, and we have them as an output.